Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Catchberry's collection, and today I'll be showing you people how I made this beautiful outfit you are seeing here. It's actually a boo-boo dress. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscription button so that you get notified when I post a new video. So let's get started. So this is the fabric I will be using. I have just 2 yards of crepe fabric here, and I just had a black half yard of black fabric. So I've marked out my starting point here, and I'm marking out 18 inches. This size is suitable for everybody. It's a free size, it's suitable for everybody. Both the fat and slim can rock this design. So I'm marking out 18 inches, and I'm marking out the neck width, which is 3 inches. And over here I went down by 1 inch and by 7.5. It depends on the round sleeve of the person you are working for. So measure the round sleeve and add 1.5 inches for free allowance. So over here I went in by 1 inch and connected it to the other part. I went in by 2 inches and went down by 2 inches again, and I'm going to use my French curve and connect it to the round sleeve. So I'm marking out 17 inches, and that's where I'll be fixing my pocket, and 24 inches at the hip length. So the length of this gown is 40. Sorry, it's not showing here. It's 40 inches. So I'm marking out the 40 inches as the length of the gown. So at the hips, I went in by 2 inches. I just checked the person's hip to see the amounts of allowance that is there, but it's perfect. So I'm connecting it to this line, to the armhole line. So I measured what I had there and minused 1 inch, and that's what I'll be putting at the gown length. Remove 1 inch from the hip measurement from what you have at the hip and put it at the gown length. So we move. I'm connecting the line to the hip. So I'm cutting out the gown already. It's not difficult, it's very simple to make. I went down by 1 inch because I'll be cutting the back first. 3 inches by 1 inch. So I'm cutting out the clothes. So I have to notch this 17 inches because that's where I'll be fixing the pocket. So I detected the back of the fabric and I removed the back. So I'm going to record the front neckline. Now remember, I've marked out 1 inch, so I'm marking out 3 inches now. I'm connecting the lines. So over here I went down by 3 inches. Make sure that your fabric is rhyming. So over here I went in by 2.5 inches and cut it out. So this is the front part of the clothes, while this is the back. So I'm going to cut the pockets now. This is the fabric I'll be using for the pocket. I've folded it into 4 now. So I'm going to measure out 6 inches by 12. So that's what I'll be using for the pocket. So I have to cut it out first. Please check my other video to see how I cut my facing. I've cut out the facing, how I bias my neckline, because all those things won't be showing here. So I've turned the facing of the front gown and fixed the pocket, and this is the back. I've biased the neckline and fixed the pocket as well. So this is the fabric I've cut out that I will use. The length I used is 12 inches. It's just a flare, just fold your flare normally, and this is the one that will be at the middle. I just used 14 inches, 14 by 14 inches. So I think it's perfect. Please note, you can still reduce this circle, this flare, this black one. You can reduce it to the size that you want. Yeah, yours mustn't be big. I just decided to make mine to be too obvious. I like it that way. So this is me fixing my own design on my front gown. Please don't forget to use pin to hold yours, because this kind of fabric, when you are working with it, it's always, soft in the hand. So I think with your pin, it will help you not to make a mistake while sewing. So this is how I attached it on the gown. You can as well attach yours this way. So I'm still attaching it. I have to take my time. This kind of work, you don't need to rush. You need to calm down and, make sure that everything is moving on well. Make sure that there is no rumple at the center. So that is it. That's why you need to calm down. You are not rushing to anywhere. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm done with the attaching of this black one. I'm going to place the pink one on top of it. See the pink one? So I'm going to attach it as well on top of the black one. You can either attach this on the black one before attaching it on the gown, or you do it this way. Anyway, anyone that works for you, it's still okay. So after attaching this thing, I'm going to go on and shape my dress. Please, if you don't know how to shape this dress, check one of my YouTube videos where I made this type of dress from beginning to the end. You will see how I shaped the dress over there. Then, as in how I attach my pockets, how I fix it in. So you can check my other videos. Over there, you are going to see it. Probably I might attach the link at the down part of this gown so that it will be easier for you, because I'm gonna shape this gown, then I will show you the outcome of the gown after shaping it. So I'm done with the attaching of the clothes. So I'm going to shape it. So this is the outcome of the dress. Very beautiful and classy, isn't it? So please, 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 I beg you with the name of God, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. Thank you so much, and bye.